Video number 2 with avocado toast. Little quick, how y'all know me. Just a little quick just to show y'all, every little step. Nothing, nothing special, but just showing y'all one of my morning breakfasts that gets me full, that gives me enough nutritionist for the start my day. So there y'all go, y'all. There go the rye bread, the onions, the mushrooms, tomatoes. Oh, y'all see, I don't know if y'all noticed in my, I ain't gonna say my last videos, but one of my videos on YouTube that I am still using this grill. I am still using this grill. This grill has put me through a lot of meals, okay? See y'all on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.